In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Discord error 2212 stream failed to start. First thing you want to do is launch your Discord. Now, click on the user settings icon. Now scroll down and head over to the section App Settings. Under this, you're going to find the option of Windows Settings. Click on that. Disable for the option, open Discord on Startup. Then navigate to the option Streamer Mode. Ensure it's properly enabled or disabled automatically, as incorrect streamer mode settings can sometimes cause streaming issues. After that, head back to advanced settings and confirm that hardware acceleration is turned on. Once this is enabled, completely close Discord, restart your PC, and then open Discord to check if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, search for run. Now type in %app data % and hit enter. In the folder that opens, locate the Discord folder and delete the cache files. Clearing the Discord cache often fixes stream-related errors. Finally, make sure you are not using any VPN or proxy while running Discord, as these can interfere with streaming features. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.